Tonight we're having rice with corn and cabbage and corned beef. And there was a request to have corn on its own so we could have it nice and hot with butter and salt and pepper on top, but it was there, but everybody's mixed it all in together. So let's enjoy dinner together. Are you going to talk tonight? Take your hand, talk about what you did at school. What did you do at school today? You did math.
I made a kite.
A kite? What colour did you colour it in?
Red and a blue one.
We had a red kite.
I made a rainbow one. I made lots of one.
You made lots of one.
Like 100.
100 kites.
Yeah. And people, all of them have one kite. Stick to mine.
Was it for Matariki kites?
Yeah.
Like in your book, in your new Duffy book you got?
Like, we hung it all around the playground, all around everywhere. And we made lights over the tree, everywhere.
Exciting.
We had a assembly going on there. Sorry. I did that too. And we did backflips.
You did backflips. You did one somewhere here today, didn't you? Was that an exercise while you had your sports shirt on at school?
That door doctor where
You're hungry tonight.
Melissa. Say hi.
hi.
Say hi.
You say hi to the camera. I say
Hi.
hi.
Welcome to our whānau dinner. Very nice on a cold night. I think it's going to be ice.
Maybe it's going to be a stormy day with all of us.
No, I think it's going to be ice. Was there ice on Auntie Viv's window this morning? We took gratuitous pieces. We had the heater on. But I also didn't have ice on his window this morning. Oh, maybe because he was close to the garage.
No. Look about food in your mouth. Excuse me. Please have some drink.
No. She's tricking. Could you pass me a tissue, please?
Sure. I will move to this side. So I will give you a tissue. All of you need one?
Yes, please.
Oh my gosh.
That would have been time.
There you go.
It's not printed on the couch. Thanks very much. Thank you so much.
Here you go, Uncle Chor.
Thank you.
That's Uncle Chor.
Right.
Say hi to Melissa. Say
All of us want
Hello, little Lissy.
And
We're
that
all
comes to
tonight
our
together.
family. You name the camel.
You know, you say, welcome to our family.
Welcome all to final dinner.
Oh, wow, you're pretty good.
To dinner time. we wait
Say
for
welcome, little Lissy.
welcome Lissy and
Little
we,
Leslie.
Lissy. I saw what's that?
It's a lady.
A lady?
Mm. Say welcome, little Leslie.
Oh, how much not even know? Yeah.
What else did you do with VD today at school? Huh? Did you practice Kapahaka?
Kitty, body, kitty, Papa, feeling about. Someone coated, tonguing coated, someone coated, tonguing.
Mm.
Mom, what's the culture? Mine is someone uses.
European. Yours is Samoan.
Hey.
I'm European.
I am a Samoan.
I am a European.
And Haitian?
I am a European.
You have to. What culture you have?
Auntie Viv and I are European, and you and Uncle Tua are Samoan.
I never seen Uncle Troy in my culture.
Yes, he is.
I didn't even see him in my culture.
Mm.
Uncle Troy, you're in my culture. Uncle Tua. Uncle Troy, you in my culture? What is Uncle Troy in my culture? Uncle Tua, you're in my culture?
We're going to say hi to everybody that's watching us having dinner. So, hello for everybody
To love for everybody.
who's watching.
Jesus.
Jesus will be watching us while we eat dinner.
What about God?
Yeah, God's watching too.
And Jesus is looking over us.
That's
At
true.
Jesus don't like bad words. Jesus like good words.
Very true. He does like good words.
If you say one bad word, Jesus will say.
That's right.
If you tell lies on people and them is doing nothing on you, Jesus don't like that.
No. Jesus likes us when you're kind to people. You're right. Let me do it. No, I just don't want all the juice. And putting Joyce in a little secret when you're putting packets of spaghetti in.
And
Just put a bit of extra water in the pot and break the spaghetti up and put it in, and then that saves a pot.
and you can mix them up. Everybody's mixing the dinners up if they like to, and the salt and pepper is
Chili
salt,
sauce.
chili sauce, and hot. And we got juice But after dinner, we're having an ice cream.
With how many candies on it?
3.
Mm. What you have after school program?
Hmm?
Did you have anything to eat at the after pizza? Pizza. Mm. Did they make it or did they buy it?
They buy them.
Oh, what a nice treat.
And candy. I didn't have candy. I had a lollipop. I had a lollipop.
Mm.
I should butterfly.
Mm.
Look how butterfly. Good girl. Look down. Good girl. Look that way. Good girl. Look up.
I can't look up because I can't bend my neck because I've got a sore neck. Are you going to be alright on your computer tomorrow? Next, I'm just looking ahead.
I play music at school.
Did you? What sort of music did you play? Oh, the drums and the guitar. Mm. Use your fork or your spoon, please. Yeah. I can share with Mum.
Thank you, Mum.
You're welcome.
You can share a spoon with me.
Oh, I've got a drink here, darling.
Right.
You've got nice manners. Very nice
Who
manners.
taught you your lovely manners?
No one. No one. No one. Jesus learned me to do it.
Oh.
Jesus is God helper. I helped Jesus the whole time. I saw Jesus at my school.
Did you? Where was Jesus at your school?
Him came to us, but they grabbed her that we can see.
Oh. Was Jesus watching to make sure everybody was good at school?
Mm.
Oh, I just came for a visit.
And
Mm.
he wanted to stay forever.
Sit up, please.
Then I said, you can't. You need to go back to heaven.
Oh. Mm. Interesting. And look after Nikki.
Because my nana only 5. Only 5. My nana lives. It's only 5. Look. My nana is look that way, and Jesus that. Nick is that way. Then Jesus got a big house for a lot of kids, a lot of women, and a lot of big sisters.
Mm.
But
And animals that have, there are pets that may have died, live in heaven with Jesus too.
because
He
maybe
must have a big house and a big farm for all the animals and all the people, our friends and family who have passed away.
my
Can
friend.
you sit on your seat properly?
I'm gonna put my shit.
What is it? That was very nice, thank you, Auntie Faith. Mm. Mm. You're welcome.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you for dinner.
Mm.
Come on, eat your dinner.
Talia's really listening tonight.
Thank you, Mum.
Oh, you're welcome. I don't want you to choke.
Mm-mm. Got corn in your lunchbox.
Would you like corn and rice?
I'm washing my lunchbox.
You want some rice and corned beef? All right. I'll put some in the container. Have you got a microwave in your class?
No, I do.
Do you? To heat up stuff? Oh,
Let's go.
really?
Popcorns and movies.
Oh.
You have beds up there.
You have what?
Beds at my school.
Do you have beds at school?
No, we lick our hands and then our bed comes at school. We got a new flat. Then my kids did to it.
Finish what's in your mouth.
Just tomorrow.
That one? More? Oh, are you finished? Would you like anything else? A little bit more.
I did too. Okay. Let me, Mum.
Can you please sit properly on your chair?
This is hard. This is big. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Blow on it, it might be hot.
Thank you for telling me to do.
Good manners. Are you centre of attention tonight?
Yeah.
At least you're honest. Jesus loves you to be honest.
Thank you for picking it up. Somebody's tooth fell off. The fairy's tooth fell out.
Was it?
I said the fairy came to my house too. To
Mm.
my school too.
Where does she? Do you like having rice at Auntie Faith's house?
Do you cook rice at your house?
I do, sometimes.
Sometimes
You just never there.
Well, you were looking after me because I had my operation today.
Oh, that's right. Yes. I remember. I forgot.
And I had to go over the harbour bridge to see the doctor. I had to drive a long, long way away. That's why I had to go early this morning, and Auntie Viv had to drop you at school, before school came.
and then came to the doctor's office.
No, Auntie Viv went to her doctor, I went to my doctor by myself. I was very brave, and he gave me 4 injections, and I didn't cry.
I'm this one yet.
You can't, because it's under the plaster.
Why?
Do you want ice cream
Because-
tonight?
You want ice
your dinner.
creamy? Eat your dinner.
Oh, fine. Oh, sorry, Mum, for saying that.
Are you moaning?
You know what happens if you don't eat it, you won't get ice cream.
If you've had got you.
If you're moaning, it's okay. You can still have an ice cream because you had a big first helping. Are you moaning? I don't have any more, darling, if you're full. You got full tummy. That's all right. You can still have an ice cream because you tried hard.
only five still gonna have ice cream?
Yes, because I had seconds. I'll do dishes after ice cream, shall we?
I'll do the dishes if you like me to.
No, I'll do dishes. You don't do
I
dishes.
will help you.
No, that's all right. I'll do it.
Right, Uncle Tua to finish his dinner.
I'm gonna choose have white
Would you like a nice creamy with 3 candies on it, Uncle Tua?
2 or 1, Mum. 3 of 2 or 3.
2 candies.
For me,
Yeah. 2. Because you had one on the way home.
Yeah,
from
that's
school.
3. That's enough in one day. 2 candies. We will all have 2 candies.
I'm gonna choose having 2. Mommy's having 2. And Father's having 2. I'm having 3 candies. I said Mom's having 3. Only 5 is having 3. And Uncle Troy's having 3. And I'm having 2.
No, we're all having 2.
Uncle.
Right, excuse me, I'm going.
I will have Mum.
Cool.
Thank you for dinner. Thank you, everybody. And thank you for watching.
Could you hold the ice cream?
Just leave it home.
Okay, Mum. I'm gonna hand it out for you, okay? I'm just having 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. If I take 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4, if I take 1 to the bottom, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. If I take 1 from the top, sit to there, over there.
You're going to pass them with us. Leave them.
I'm gonna count them. I got 1 candies on you. You want candies on the truck? No. No candies for Uncle Tua. Uncle Tua don't want any candies on hers.
I'm not sure
Oh.
what. Have you seen the new ice cream scoop?
Oh,
No.
oh, sorry. That is my fault. Open it for you. We're going with 85 first.
Uncle Tua first.
Uncle Tua, we're going first with you.